If you're a non-resident trying to form a Hong Kong company in 2026, you're probably overpaying by 8,000 Hong Kong dollars, and here's how to fix it. Here's the problem. Most agencies quote you 15,000 Hong Kong dollars for something that costs 6,500 Hong Kong dollars. You can incorporate a Hong Kong limited company remotely in 8 to 12 business days without ever visiting Hong Kong. Non-residents pay 0 Hong Kong tax on offshore income, which saves you 16.5% on foreign revenue from day one. Hong Kong is one of the few jurisdictions that lets non-residents own 100% of a company, open corporate bank accounts remotely, and pay 0 tax on income sourced outside Hong Kong. A U.S. founder launching a SaaS product bills clients worldwide. If that income doesn't come from Hong Kong customers, it's offshore and taxed at 0%. Within 12 days you have a registered company, a Hong Kong business registration certificate, and a corporate tax number. This is exactly why we built Bastion Formations, to handle non-resident setups without the 12,000 Hong Kong dollars to 18,000 markup most Hong Kong CPA firms charge. Most people fail here. They try to DIY the Hong Kong Companies Registry filing, then discover you need a Hong Kong resident company secretary by law. You can't skip it. Without one, the registrar rejects your NNC1 incorporation form within 48 hours. Then you scramble to hire a secretary service for 3,000 Hong Kong dollars to 5,000 per year, mail forwarding for another 2,400 Hong Kong dollars, and a registered office for 1,800 Hong Kong dollars. Suddenly your all-in cost is 13,200 Hong Kong dollars and you've burned 3 weeks. Do not try to save money by skipping the company secretary. It's a legal requirement under Section 154 of the Companies Ordinance. With Bastion Formations we bundle incorporation, nominee company secretary, registered office, and mail forwarding into one 6,500 Hong Kong dollars package so nothing gets rejected. Step 2. Choose your company name and check availability on the Hong Kong Companies Registry eSearch. Non-residents can use English or Chinese names. The name must end with limited or limited. Avoid restricted words like bank, insurance, trust, or chamber of commerce unless you have a license. This takes 10 minutes. Then let Bastion Formations handle the NNC1 filing with the registrar. We submit your incorporation documents, pay the 1,720 Hong Kong dollars registration fee, and you get your Certificate of Incorporation in 8 business days. Step 3. Appoint your company secretary and registered office address. This is important. Every Hong Kong company must have a Hong Kong resident secretary and a local registered address. Most non-residents don't live in Hong Kong, so you hire a corporate service provider. Bastion Formations includes a nominee company secretary and registered office in Admiralty or Sheung Wan for the full first year in that 6,500 Hong Kong dollars price. Your secretary files your annual return, your registered office receives government mail, and you stay compliant with the company's ordinance without flying to Hong Kong. Here's the problem most non-residents hit at month 6. You formed the company, opened the bank account, and started invoicing. Then the Inland Revenue Department sends your first profits tax return to your registered office. You never see it because you used a cheap mail forward service that doesn't scan documents. The filing deadline passes. IRD issues a penalty notice for 1,200 Hong Kong dollars plus daily interest. Your company secretary should have flagged this, but budget providers don't monitor compliance. With Bastion Formations your secretary scans every IRD notice within 24 hours, emails you, and reminds you 30 days before every filing deadline so you never miss one. Advanced step for non-residents who want to open a corporate bank account. Hong Kong banks got strict in 2026 and 2026. In 2026 they want proof of business substance. HSBC Business, Hang Seng, and Standard Chartered all ask for your Hong Kong office lease, 3 months of invoices, and a face-to-face meeting or video KYC. Most non-residents can't fly to Hong Kong for a 20-minute bank interview. Use this exact strategy instead. Open a multi-currency business account with Wise, Mercury, or Airwallex first. Those approve in 3 to 7 days with 0 in-person visit. You can start invoicing immediately. Then after 90 days of transaction history, apply to a Hong Kong bank with your Wise statements as proof of substance. Approval rate jumps from 40% to 78% because the bank sees real cash flow. Copy this exact wording in your bank application cover letter. I am a non-resident director of a Hong Kong limited company. Our registered office is in Hong Kong. We generate revenue from international clients as evidenced by the attached 90-day transaction history. We require a Hong Kong corporate account to receive payments in HKD and manage local compliance. Bastion Formations assists with the full bank introduction package so you don't get stuck in the 6-month approval queue. I am a non-resident director of a Hong Kong limited company. Our registered office is in Hong Kong. We generate revenue from international clients as evidenced by the attached 90-day transaction history. We require a Hong Kong corporate account to receive payments in HKD and manage local compliance. Non-residents can own 100% of a Hong Kong Ltd remotely in 8 days. Offshore income is taxed at 0% under Hong Kong territorial tax rules. Bastion Formations handles incorporation, secretary, and office for 6,500 Hong Kong dollars all in. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit bastionformations.com for help setting up your Hong Kong limited company as a non-resident in 2026. Visit https://bastionformations.com.